Okay, so welcome to Al Lunacy Queuing. Today we'll be replacing our Weber Spirit 200 series, 300 series propane grill burners, and we will be also replacing the heat plates. I got these on Amazon. The link will be on the bottom of the description. I'll give you more information about that in just a second. So let's get to the install. Okay, the Spirit 210 gas propane grill. We're going to take off these two screws there, and that should let us get into there. We're going to replace the burners and the cross burner. That one's loose. Got this one loose too, so we just take that off. Make sure you put these in a safe place. Get your glove. Now, there's an igniter that you have to be careful not to break or get loose. This igniter there, guys. So you just kind of pull this up. And that's it. Got a replacement set on Amazon. It comes with the new burners here, or I should say the heat sinks, or whatever those things are called, and then the burners. I wanted to show you guys something. This is the side where the igniter is going to slide in, which is this thing right here. So also make sure that you have your crossbeam appropriately set to where it's going to actually have this retainer, so it won't be moving back and forth. Okay, there's a slide where the igniter actually slides. You can actually see it right here. It slides, so you got to slide that in, and then you can fit in your bar. There you go, and that's there. Now we just put the crossbeam. I didn't take video of the crossbeam install, but the retainer clips go on the left side bracket, and they go in between the screw that holds the burner. Show you on the newer ones is this thing kind of slides back and forth so the vents can open. You can actually move this up and down. You see the screw there, so it can accept more gas. These are open all the way. I didn't do that to the other ones, but we'll see how it performs. Moment of truth. We got a flame, crossbeam. There we go. It's burning great. I want to show you guys real quick comparison to the new to the old. The replacement parts actually seem to be a bit thicker. That could be because also these corrode over time and lose a little bit of thickness, but these are much heavier than these. So there you go, guys. The rest was just putting the heat plates on top of the burner and the one in the center. I just really needed the burner and the crossbeam, but actually ordering the whole kit all together for $39 is cheaper than paying them separately, which would be about $60. So I thought this was the way to go. So the link will be in the description for the Amazon purchase if you're interested. And if this helped you out, please give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching.